nagja-juggle ka in 3 shows.
Yes.
Paano mo to nagagawa? Tapos may kalil ka pa.
Ayun. Umiyak na lang, hindi na kami nagkikita. Hindi, important talaga time management. Ako kasi I really wanna do good in all of my projects. And I'm very happy na inaalaw ako ng GMA and ng Sparkle na talagang i-manage lahat ng yun. Kasi minsan kasi diba, hindi, ito ka lang, paano makakonsentrate ka dito. Pero sila, I'm very happy na nagagawa ng paraan lahat. And I make sure to give my best on all my projects. And nag-enjoy talaga ako.
Nakita ko yung PBB mo nga, 5 years old ka pa lang ata, sumasayaw ka na.
Sumasayaw
So fun ka talaga.
Nanonood talaga ako nung bagets pa ako. And totoo yun hindi walang showbiz. I really watch. Favorite season ko, yung season nila, teen edition nila Robbie. Yan, pinanood ko yan. Edition nila Slater, nila Melay. Yan, pinanood ko yung mga yan. So, hosting it now, and being with sila Ate B, sila Robbie, sila Melay, and everybody else in PBB, grabe, it's so surreal. And I'm just really enjoying every moment. Whenever I host, nag-enjoy din talaga ako. Yung feeling ko kung bakit siya nag-work. Since madaldal ako, and I'm very curious when it comes to when it comes to other people's lives, asking them what they want, kung ano bang gusto nila. Feeling ko kaya nag-work kasi nag-enjoy lang talaga.